Make sure to use a soil that has good drainage. Now, what does that mean? Well, a normal standard planting soil like this one here usually sucks up and holds too much water. Now, for most indoor tropical plants, that means that the roots can get damaged. So what you do is that you take normal standard planting soil, you take 70 to 80% of that, and then you mix it with something like, for instance, leca pebbles, pumice, or perlite. Those three substrates will actually help your soil to get better drainage. Because what we want with the roots is a balance of water and oxygen. Want to know more about plants? Swedish Plantguys.